Hey everybody, this is Vince again. Got a cool tool called Syllaby.io. So what this does is it's a web-based tool that helps you create content, keep on track, create ideas, and expand upon it so that you can get content for your YouTube, TikTok, blogs, whatever you've got to do on social media, websites, whatever you got. So there is a tutorial in it. It is a very cool tool. So I'm just going to go through a quick test of it using stuff for the tools that I am promoting, mainly my Facebook automation tools. You can see all of those at bestfbtools.com. I'll put a link down there, but to this one type of product that I'm going to get ideas from. And so we can see in here we've got select a topic to produce content and click schedule. So what I'm going to do is how to automate Facebook marketing. That looks to be the best one, but it has no search volume. So you got to really figure out what your top questions are, but we'll just add that to calendar just as an example. Let's see what it comes up with. And we've got this, and we've got an explainer. I'm going to do probably a product demo because I'm going to show how to use my Facebook friend connector tool and a couple of the other tools that I promote, like Happy Birthday tool, which wishes people a happy birthday on autopilot in Facebook. So I'm just going to click on AI outline and see what it comes up with. And what this will do, it'll come up with some ideas. From that, I can then make a short form video or something and go based on that and just kind of expand upon it. So you can see we've got the introduction. That's just the outline. Scroll down a little bit. It's got the different steps, ways to automate, lead generation. So these all fall into definitely things that I'm promoting and software that I sell already, especially some of the AI tools that are going to plug in with my post scheduler, with the traffic linker tool and things like that. And then you can come down here and do a video script. Click on generate it. I would probably just do maybe a 60-second one and then do an AI write. And we can see it already wrote my script, even using the outline. I don't even have to figure out what to use here. So all that. So I would go ahead and make a video from that for my short form, YouTube, TikTok, and then I'll also go and write an article for my blog. That'll go ahead and write that in there. But generally what I'm doing a lot lately is using this for ideas for scripts for YouTube and TikToks and short form videos. Those seem to get the most traction. So what I'll do is I'll go after this tool and I'll record it, add a little article or an item here and there, and then once that's added to the video, I'll upload that to a few different places. And you can see this actually wrote my AI article already. So this is from my Facebook friend connector tool, which basically sends out automated friend requests and messages to people on Facebook. So what I'll do is I'll take this article here and I'll go into my WordPress blog and my Groove Pages blog, and that'll let you just basically have an article already written. So I don't have to do anything except go to those places, copy and paste it, and now I've got a ton of content that I've just generated in about a minute, maybe two, and saves me a ton of time. So check it out. It's a great tool, syllabi.io. I'm going to put a link on the page, but this is it right here. Just use my bit.ly link. It's super easy, syllabi.io. And yeah, check it out. You get 100,000 free credits. I just generated this. It took a couple credits, very easy to use. You can get really a month's worth of content in a few minutes and save yourself a ton of time. So check it out.